Hello students, myself Neeraj Misra. The computer teacher again came to write back with the new video. As friends, as in the last video, I was explaining about the input devices and the two important input devices about which I have already discussed. That one is keyboard and mouse. Now in this video, I am going to explain the other input devices. Next input device of the computer is a light pen or a stylus. As friends, this device is resemble a pen and used for directly write onto the screen. It is very helpful during the interactive class conducted by the teachers, and it is also used by the architecture and engineer for directly sketching the design of building and some other designing of some other circuits also for the purpose. So this is the stylus and light pen. Next one input device is a scanner. A scanner is very popular input device and used to capture the subject from the physical source and converts that photographs, that texts in the digital form, and that can be further edited in computer and saved in the computer, which can be further edited. A scanner basically is of four types. The first one is a flat bed scanner. Students, this is the most usable scanner, and that contains flat glass sheet, that is a flat glass platform to put any physical document to which we require to scan. Means if a particular page containing a picture for scanning, that must be that is kept onto this glass sheet containing in the scanner, and after giving the command, a scanning job is started. And you will see that there is no any movement in the paper while the scanning job is going on. कागज में कोई मूवमेंट नहीं है, कागज सीधे सीधे फ्लैट ग्लास सरफेस पे रखा हुआ रहता है, एंड ए लॉन्ग ऑप्टिकल हेड मूव्स ऑन द सरफेस फॉर reading the contents of the page, and the true image of the same document is simply taken and saved in the computer as a picture file for further use and further editing. ये आपका फ्लैट बेड स्कैनर है and mostly usable स्कैनर these days. Next one is the handheld scanner. It is a portable scanner and used by holding in the hand. Using this, we can scan any subject by sweeping its base on the surface. हाथ में लेकर के जिस सरफेस को स्कैन करना है उसके ऊपर हम लोग स्वाइप करते हैं, और जो है मेरा वो कंटेंट रीड कर लेता है स्कैनर, और कंप्यूटर में डिजिटल फाइल के रूप में सेव कर देता है. Next one is the drum scanner. Drum scanner is the old scanner type, and in this scanner the paper to which we require to scan is put under the scanner, and the source paper is rolled into the scanner for reading the contents. It means there is no movement. There will be movement in the source page while a scanning job is going on. So this one is the second type of a scanner. Third one type of a scanner. Fourth one is the transparency scanner. This is very high quality scanner, generally used by the photographer for their purpose. It gives high quality scanning output, high quality output after scanning. but may also used for the general purpose. So scanner is completed. Next one input device is a digitizer. Digitizer is also an input device that converts the analog signals. Analog signals is a wave-like signals, continuous wave-like signals that can travel from one end to other end. जैसे टीवी में जो प्रोग्राम आता है वो एनालॉग सिग्नल के द्वारा आता है. सो द डिजिटल जो डिजिटाइजर के बारे में कह रहे हैं, ये भी क्या है? इट इज ऑल्सो एन इनपुट डिवाइस दैट कन्वर्ट्स द एनालॉग सिग्नल्स इनटू digital signals. Generally, the TV programs and the video camera use the analog signal to display the program on its screen, and these signals are trapped by the digitizer and converts into a series of numbers, and finally stored in the computer for further processing, further use. So this is the digitizer. Next one input device is microphone. You all are well acquainted with using the microphone. Is not a new input device. It is also an input device and used during the voice recording, voice call and voice chatting. May also be used for recording the voice and the sound in the computer during the multimedia jobs, during the multimedia activities in the computer. So this is also an input device that captures our sound and saved in the computer. Next one input device is MICR, that stands for magnetic ink character reader or recognition. Magnetic ink character recognition is the full form of MICR. And this is the input device generally used in bank for easily furnishing the check and drafts by reading their index number. You will see the index number simply present to the bottom of the check or draft. A special ink is used to depict that one number, that one serial number, that one index number onto the check or the draft. So the purpose of MICR is to read that one number, for further processing in the bank, for transaction in the bank. As I told you, these codes which have been printed on the check or the draft are printed using a special magnetic ink. So MICR helps in the bank to easy processing the transactions using the check and drafts. Next one is OCR. OCR is a very technical method and also an input device that is used to read the printed text on the page and converts the text into the system readable format. System readable and editable format. We can edit the scanned text easily using this technique. आप देखे होंगे या आप विचार कर सकते हो कि मान लो किसी पेपर पे कोई टेक्स्ट लिखा हुआ हो और उसको हमने स्कैन किया, तो स्कैन करने के बाद वो पिक्चर के रूप में चेंज करता है. लेकिन ओसीआर में क्या होता है कि जब स्कैन हम करते हैं, स्कैनिंग के बाद वही टेक्स्ट एक टेक्स्ट फॉर्म में ही बदल करके आपके कंप्यूटर में जो है सेव हो जाता है, जिसको आप कंप्यूटर में फिर से एडिट कर सकते हो, उस टेक्स्ट को हटा सकते हो. टेक्स्ट मीन्स क्या है? वो टेक्स्ट बिल्कुल कंप्यूटर के द्वारा उसको हम एडिट कर सकते हैं. वो बिल्कुल टेक्स्ट वो एक डिजिट के रूप में, एक टेक्स्ट के रूप में वो जमा हो जाता है, जिसको आप एडिट कर सकते हो. तो ये OCR का सबसे बड़ा जो है प्रॉपर्टी है। नेक्स्ट वन इज द OMR। OMR stands for optical mark recognition. It is also a special type of optical scanner designed for easily conducting the competitive examination in which objective questions are asked. It recognizes the types of the marks made by the pen or pencils, and it makes quite easy to check the OMR answer sheet. OMR sheet पे जब एग्जाम लेते हैं तो ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चंस आपको पूछा जाता है और वैसे आंसर शीट को चेक करने में हम लोग जो है OMR का प्रयोग करते हैं, ऑप्टिकल मार्क रिकॉग्निशन का प्रयोग करते हैं। नेक्स्ट वन इज द बारकोड रीडर is also an input device designed to read the bar-coded data that you will see the stripes of the vertical lines generally found on the household items, found on the level of the household items, books and so on, and it makes the work quite easy at the place where it is used. Students, as you would have seen the barcode reader working on the payment counter of the malls and big shops. Simply they take a device in their hands, click the button of the barcode reader, simply a light is simply imparted onto the surface and reflected into the barcode reader. Finally barcode reader process that one data, that one things and saved in the computer. So barcode reader is also an input device. Next one is the magnetic reader. Magnetic reader, this magnetic reader reads the magnetic information depicted on the transaction cards such as debit and credit cards, and sometime we need to make payment, then we swipe in our card into the device for payment. कभी कार्ड स्वाइप करते हैं, शॉप वगैरह में कार्ड स्वाइप करते हैं। नेक्स्ट वन द टच स्क्रीन। This is a information display screen and is sensitive for our finger touch, and we can give command directly by touching the command option over the screen. And as you would have seen the display screen of ATM where options are selected by touching the option over the screen. So this is the touch screen, is also a method of giving input to the computer. So after this the input device about which I have been given in the book is completed. So we'll present again in the new video with the new topic. So have a nice day and thank you.